Guys, in today's video we'll learn about trait in Rust. So trait in Rust is similar to interface in some other programming languages. Basically we create a struct and then we implement an interface to give it some additional functionalities or methods. Let's understand by taking an example. So let's say we have a struct, we call it a rectangle, and then we have a width which is unsigned 32, a height which is unsigned 32, and then we create a trait. So you should use the trait keyword, and then let's name it as eye shape, and then we define a method which is function get area, let's say, and then we pass the self immutable and then the return type as, let's say, u32. So this we just declare as it is, and then we can say impl eye shape. So as soon as you say impl eye shape, then we have to say for our rectangle. So you can say for rectangle. So you can see as soon as we define this, we'll write this code, you can see there is one implementation of eye shape which is here, and it gives me an error. And guess what, it's same as we implement an interface and we get, which is implement the members. So let's implement the member, and we can do just is self dot width into self dot height. I hope this formula is correct for area, but anyway, you get the idea, right? How does it work? So now what we can do here is let area, first let's define our struct. So we can say let a rectangle, and then we can call rectangle, and then let's give our width as 2 and height as 4. Okay, and then we can say print our rectangle dot get area, and if we run this, as you can see, we get a 8. So I hope you get the idea. The code is very clean, and just implement by yourself and try to understand and learn. I'll catch you guys in the next video with another interesting topic.